Stop.
Stay in the car.
What are you putting me up for?
It shows you're suspended.
I'm not suspended. I just sent out a check. I'm not.
Okay, let me see your driver's license. Let me see your driver's license.
It's nothing to see, bro. It's nothing to see.
Your driver's license and proof of insurance. Do you have your driver's license and proof of insurance?
Yes, I do. But you just pulled me over.
May I see it?
What's your reason for pulling me over?
Do you have your driver's license? Yes or no?
What do you need my driver's license for?
I'm conducting a traffic stop. That's why. I need to identify who you are. No.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm closing my door.
I'm conducting a traffic stop.
Okay, but you didn't know, bro. Watch out. Let me close my door.
No, you're not closing.
Let me close my door.
This is a traffic stop.
I don't care what it is. I don't care. I don't care.
Yourself to me. Understand that?
I don't care.
What's your name then? Since you don't have your driver's license.
Who told you I didn't have my driver's license? You just
You haven't produced it.
I don't have to produce it with anything.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I'm pulling over to get gas. Out of my face. Okay, well, I'm trying to get in contact with who I need to get in contact with because I have just sent out some papers. So, yeah.
Put the phone away.
What are you telling me to put the phone away for? And I'm telling you I'm calling my case
I don't
manager.
care who you're calling.
No, because
I need to identify you. Put the phone away.
I don't.
If you don't identify yourself, I'm going to arrest you.
You're not arresting anything. What the f? Like,
sure about that.
What did you just do? What did you just do? Is this car not in my name? Is it?
I have no idea who you are. Unless you're getting your ID, quit reaching around the car. Last chance. Come over here.
I'm telling you, I'm providing you with my information. That's it. Like,
do you have your ID or not?
Yes, I do, but get the f back. Like, you're like, I'm here for my fucking life. I'm a black woman. You're always shooters. I'm trying to call my
quit
fucking
reaching around the car.
I'm about to keep calling until I get a hold of somebody because they just sent the check out for me. There's nothing for me to tell you. I can give you a piece of paper to tell you that they sent the check out, but there's nothing else that I can give you.
Okay, well, I need to see your ID.
Go ahead, call away.
Put your phone away.
I'm not putting my phone away because I'm calling my case manager. I'm not putting anything away. Not going to tell me I can't call him. Did you just not tell me to provide you with my ID? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, right?
Where is it at?
Yes or no?
Where is it?
Yes or no? Exactly, I'm looking for my You're tripping.
Okay.
Stop reaching around.
Step out of the car.
I'm looking for my ID. You told me.
Now I'm ordering you out of the car. Get out of the car.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you grabbing me? You see this? Why are you grabbing me?
Step
Bro, I'm trying to call my case manager. Why are you grabbing me? Watch out. I'm trying to. Watch out. Please stop touching me. Please stop grabbing me up. This shit is insane. Watch out, bro. Bro, watch out. Why are you grabbing me? I'm trying to call my case manager.
I don't know what's in that car, and I don't want you reaching around.
It's nothing in this car, bro. I'm homeless. What are y'all doing?
Over here.
Bro, this annoying, bro. What are you you still touching me and I'm not touching you, bro.
Stay right here. Where are you going? Stand right here.
Stop touching me, bro. I'm trying to call my case manager. Move.
I just put her in.
Like, I'm trying to call my case manager. Go around, put your hands on this. This is annoying, bro. This is annoying.
Right here.
I'm sure you've never been homeless before. Don't keep touching me, bro. Don't keep touching me, bro. This is annoying.
Let's try this
I already
again.
told you what my name was, bro. This shit is unnecessary. Call the YWCA immediately. I'm not playing with y'all. Call the YWCA. I literally have all my paperwork. Watch out. You can find that out, can't you? I tried to get you my information, but you didn't want to let me give you my information. So, then I told you I was giving you my paper. Like, the fuck, you took my phone and everything. What was
you can make this easy.
I'm trying to make a phone call to tell y'all the check has been.
Your date of birth.
Bro, I'm trying to calm down right quick. Like this, you already grabbed.
I'm not your bro.
Well, I'm trying to calm down. This trying to calm down. Y'all stop grabbing me and let me like.
I've been trying for the past 10
you
minutes.
You have not been trying to.
Simple.
This shit is irritating. Go to jail for what?
Stay right here.
Can you let me go? Could you let me go, bro?
You're not being cooperative.
I'm not touching you though. Like, come on, I just need you to let me go. Like, I'm already in hand restraints. What more can I do? Okay.
What's your ID number?
I don't know.
What's your home address?
I don't have a home address. I'm currently residing in my car, like I just told you. She don't have to keep holding me.
If you would just relax and take a deep breath.
I'm trying to. You keep touching me. Y'all keep touching me like I'm not already in handcuffs. One more, can you let me go, bro? Can you just let me go? Like, I'm just asking you to let me go. Okay, can you tell her to let me go? You've never been slipping in your car before. I'm sure you haven't, so can you just tell her, like, let me go, bro? It's annoying as This is annoying as bro. Can y'all click that phone right there and call Shannon?
No.
Exactly, because y'all don't care. Y'all never care.
You're not allowed to make a phone call right now.
How are you going to tell me I'm not allowed to make a phone call? I hate white officers, bro. White people, period, bro. This annoying. Like, it don't take 6 officers for one black woman.
When someone's making a scene, sometimes
I didn't make no scene. You don't even know what you're talking about. Well, may I use the restroom or something? Like, maybe I could just throw my pee right here.
Preferably you do not do that.
Okay, well, I need to use the restroom and some other
Unfortunately, with being suspended, we have to tow your car, okay?
No, y'all don't, sir. No, y'all don't, sir. I'm homeless. What do y'all keep? No, y'all don't, bro.
You know you use them wherever you want.
Where are your keys at?
They in the car underneath the seat.
In the car in the seat?
You
The
just-
door's locked.
Turn on your front pocket right there.
Bro, y'all not getting my car. I'm homeless. Y'all is not getting my car. I'm sorry. Bro, somebody help me. Please help me, bro. I'm homeless.
You're making this a lot worse than it needs to be. Stop.
Because I'm homeless, bitch. Have you been homeless before? You're not going to tell me I'm making it feel a lot worse. Bro, what are you doing? Like,
Sorry.
come on, now.
Relax. Why are you slipping this?
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You're harassing me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Relax.
I can't breathe, bro.
Okay, relax.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Stop. Just relax.
Bro, stop putting pressure on me.
Not. Then you need to relax.
I'm telling you, you're putting pressure on me.
You need to
Bro, I need
relax.
to back up, please. Bro. Like, please. Can you please help me, bro? I'm homeless. I'm homeless, bro. I swear to God, I'm homeless, bro. I need so much help, bro. Please help me.
Why don't you come sit down so you're not standing up?
Bro, because y'all gonna keep holding me while I'm sitting down. There's nothing in here, bro. Can y'all let me go then? Can I grab my phone and y'all let me go? Please, bro, I swear to God, I cannot lose my car, bro. I don't have anywhere else to go. I don't have anywhere else to go, bro. I can't go anywhere else, bro.
Just sit in the car and be an adult. Let's go.
I'm trying to.
Okay, stand up.
Can I call my case manager, bro? I swear to God. This is irritating. This
Sit on the seat.
Oh my,
Stand up and sit down.
oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Watch out. Move all my clothes and everything is in there. All my clothes is in there, bro. I don't have anywhere to go. Please get off of me, bro. Please.
Have a seat.
Oh my gosh. This shit is how can y'all do this, bro? How can y'all do this? Please stop touching me.
Just relax.
Please stop. It's no relax, bro. Please stop touching me, bro.
Sit down in
Please
the
stop
car.
touching me, bro. There's nowhere I can go, bro. Oh my God, bro. I don't have anywhere to go. Y'all trying to take my holy car, bro. I'm about to be walking, bro. This shit is irritating. This annoying, bro. I'm trying to keep my cool, bro. Annoying, bro. Oh, please let me go. I don't have nowhere to go, bro. No nothing. Did y'all talk about center resources? This is insane, bro. Please call my case manager, bro. Can y'all pick that phone up or something? Like,
We'll let you make the call after if you just relax.
car, y'all taking it.
We're not-
I'm about to be walking.
Relax. Listen. You
shit
can
is
get whatever you need
irritating,
out after they're finished the inventory.
Irritating,
When your
bro.
papers are good to go.
You just said you was on my car, bro. I don't have anywhere to go. Don't you get that? Please stop touching me, bro, because I'm not trying to spit on you, bro. And I know that's assault, bro. Watch out.
No.
Stop touching me, bro. Please stop touching me,
Stay
bro.
right
Move.
here.
Stop touching me.
India.
Stop. Stop touching me.
You're done. Go to jail.
Stop
You
touching
are
me.
under arrest.
I don't give a-
You hear me? You're under arrest.
I don't give a-
Get a spit hood in there. Get a spit hood out of that glove box.
Get the fuck. I can't breathe, bro.
Face.
Let go.
I can't breathe.
Nancy, stop spitting on people.
Bro, I can't breathe.
We have an ambulance here.
Please,
Well, you
bro.
can't be fighting with people, all right?
Because he just lied. He just lied,
if you're
bro.
cool, we'll all be cool, all right?
Okay, I'm cool, bro.
All right, I appreciate that. And your breathing's gonna get better, I promise. We're gonna help you out. You just gotta be cool. And
Okay, bro. I'm in restraints everywhere. Like this.
The date was June 12, 2025. A routine stop for a suspended license turned into a violent struggle on a dark city street. When the officer pulled India over, she immediately became defensive, claiming her license issues were resolved and that her status as a homeless individual should grant her leniency. The situation turned critical when India refused to exit the vehicle after multiple warnings. As the officer moved to remove her, a physical altercation erupted. Amid the chaos, India began shouting that she couldn't breathe, drawing a crowd as more units rushed to the scene. Once restrained in the patrol car, her frustration boiled over into aggression. She began spitting at the officers, forcing them to apply a spit hood for their safety. India now faces a litany of charges, including driving under suspension, simple assault, and assault on a police officer. Subscribe for more videos and get the latest deep dives into the archives of Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.